Computers are linked together by cables and telephone lines, making communication possible among them. That is, it is globally connected.
Yeah.
Computers are globally connected through telephone lines and cables. And then this global, it can also be defined as global network over a million of smaller heterogeneous computer networks. And this network, what are all there in this network? It consists of thousands of networks spanning the entire globe. Is known as Internet. The network, which
Mm.
consists of thousands of networks spanning the entire globe, is known as Internet. The Internet is a worldwide collection of networked computers, which are able to exchange information with each other very quickly. This Internet is a worldwide collection of networked computers which are able to exchange information with each other quickly. If you are sending information, if you are sending any information to WhatsApp, what happens? Within fraction of seconds, it reaches me. Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that is network. And then mostly people use network in two ways, internet in two ways. One is email and World Wide Web. That's what you
Mm.
know the difference between email and World Wide Web.
Ma'am.
And then in internet, most computers are not directly, they are connected to smaller networks, which in turn are connected through gateways to the internet backbone. A gateway is a device which connects dissimilar networks, and a backbone is central interconnecting structure that connects one or more networks. So here, what are the points you should know means what is network of network? What is the network of network? It is global network of computers that are linked together by cables and telephone lines, making communication possible among them. And then what this internet is doing, it is exchanging information very quickly. Through computers, it is exchanging information very quickly. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Why don't you switch on your video? Mostly
Ma'am,
people, uh, mostly people use internet in two
I want
ways.
to do the video, ma'am.
Huh?
My face is. My face
Yeah,
is.
yeah, enough. You send you switch on your video. Mostly people use internet in two ways. What are the two ways where people use internet? One is email, another one is World Wide Web.
World Wide Web.
Hmm. So we are not see here. Your computer it is not directly connected to the internet. It is connected to the internet through smaller networks, through
Mm. No,
gateways
no, no, no.
to the internet backbone. So what is a gateway? A gateway is a device that connects dissimilar networks. So what is a
Yeah.
gateway? What is a gateway? A gateway is a device that connects dissimilar networks.
The similar networks.
And then a backbone is a central interconnecting structure that connects one or more networks. A backbone is central interconnecting structure that connects one or more networks.
Networks.
So you should know what is gateway and what is backbone. Tell me what is gateway.
Mm.
See these 2 points and tell me.
Gateway.
Hmm.
So the gateway is a device that it is it is device that connected the display of networks.
Dissimilar networks.
A similar network. A backbone is centralized in internet in internal. Okay, zoom in,
Interconnect
ma'am. I can't see it.
central interconnecting structure.
Just zoom in, ma'am. It's difficult to see.
Central interconnecting structure that connects one or more networks.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just zoom in, ma'am.
Over.
Yeah. Ma'am, just zoom in, ma'am.
Huh? What ma?
Can you zoom the paper?
Zoom.
Can you zoom the paper?
Ah, yeah. Over. Okay.
Put it. You reduce, ma'am.
Reduce. Enough, huh?
Keep it. Keep it around.
Enough.
Ma'am, no, no, no. It's reducing only, ma'am.
What ma?
Getting reduced.
Enough, huh? Enough.
No, no, ma'am. You're reducing it. I told you increase.
Enough?
Little more. Okay, enough.
Now tell me what is gateway and what is backbone.
Um, gateway is a device that controls a dissimilar networks. A backbone is a centralized interconnecting circuit of connecting one or more networks.
Okay, what is go to the next question. What is DNS? Also explain its functions. DNS means domain name system. DNS means domain name
Domain name
system.
system.
Yeah, come on, read and tell me.
Uh, domain name and system. Next way. Domain is a standardized domain name system. It is a ethical distribute in meaning system for computers serves or any resource collected to the internet or a private network. It associates virus information with the domain name against each other. Each of pra- practicing and this
DNS stands for domain name system. What is DNS? They will ask this one in one mark also. DNS
domain
means,
name system.
and it is the hierarchical distributed naming system for computers,
Yeah.
services, or any resources connected to the internet or a private network. And it associates various information with the domain. All these things are not needed. First point is needed. DNS stands for
Mm.
domain name system, and it is the hierarchical distributed naming system for computers, services, or any resources connected to the internet or a private network. What are the different
Yeah.
functions? They're asking here, explain its functions. So, what are the different functions of DNS? First one, what is the first one? Read.
Just a minute.
Hmm.
My nose is okay. Itchy. And the transfer of meaningful domain name into measuring the IP address
New,
which is
numerical,
needed
numerical IP address.
numerical IP address which is needed for the personal for locating computer service
Purpose of
and
locating computer services and devices worldwide.
devices wide.
So what happens here in DNS? It can translate the domain name into numerical IP address. So what
Mm.
happens when there is numerical IP address? We can locate the computer or device wherever it is there in this world, anywhere which is there in any part of the world. With this, if we have IP address, we can find it. Okay. Next one.
Mm. Next one.
It serves
It
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 serves as
serves it serves as a phone book of internet by transmitting human friendly computer host um, mails into an IP address.
so what happens? It serves as phone book. How in mobile phone you have phone book? Yeah, have you seen phone book in mobile phone?
What ma'am?
Phone book in mobile phone. You are saving all the numbers, no? That number that is called as
Oh
phone
yeah,
book. That is phone book.
phone. Yeah,
So
yeah,
here,
phone book.
this DNS it serves as phone book for the internet. So what it is doing, it translates human-friendly computer host names into IP address. What it is
Mm,
doing, it translates the human-friendly computer host names into IP address. Okay.
mm.
Next one, the DNS can be quickly updated, allowing a service location on the network to change without affecting the end user. What it is doing, it can be quickly updated. How it can be uploaded by quickly updated and allowing a service location on the network to change without affecting the end users. Okay.
Yeah.
It distributes the responsibility of assigning domain names and mapping those names to IP addresses by designating authoritative name servers for each domain. So it distributes the responsibility of assigning domain names and mapping to those names to IP address. So what happened? This IP address they are designated. Designated means they are named in the priority wise. Okay. And then it also specifies the technical functionality of database service. It also specifies the technical functionality of database service. It defines the DNS protocol. It defines the DNS protocol, a detailed specification of data structures and the data communication exchange used in DNS as part of the Internet Protocol Suite, IPS. See, a fifth point, you'll see again, it also specifies the technical functionality of database service. It also specifies the technical functionality of database service, and then it defines the DNS protocol. What is DNS protocol? A detailed specification of data structure and data communication exchange. It is used in DNS as part of Internet Protocol Suite.
Internet Protocol Suite.
So in the same lesson, we'll see about internet services and mobile technologies.
Oh, damn out. Oh.
Take page number 32.
Well, just 1 minute. Let me on the AC. My mother will feel very hot and sweat a lot. Just 1 minute. Number?
Okay, come on. Page number 32.
Okay, page number 32.
Sorry, page number 30. Page number 30.
30, page number 30.
I am asking you to switch on your video, but you are not switching on your video.
The problem which I not on the video because my father and my mother passes through this way, so they want to go in a piece. So the background is a issue. And I don't like to on the video.
Okay. Okay, come to the subject. A search engine is a program to search what?
A search engine is a information for information.
A search engine is a program to see. Look at the answer and say, "Man."
Web page for information using specified search items. D.
A search engine is a software that D, correct. Which of the following statement about search engine is true?
Search engine is a program designed to search information on the web page using keyboard.
Keyboard or keywords are?
What
keyboard or keywords?
Keywords or keywords.
You are saying keyboard, then?
By mistake. It happens.
Yeah, software that searches through a database or a page for particular information is known as
as
A software that searches for searching what we use, search engine.
search engine.
That is the answer. Which software browse the internet in a systematic manner?
Mm, web. Um, first one,
Web,
uh,
web crawler.
crawler.
Sri wants to search about computer vendor in Meerut, excluding Dell category. Which of the following search engine is best suits the requirement?
Computer, uh, Windows, Mentos, and Dell.
Minus Dell. If you give plus Dell, Dell also will come.
Dell
Computer
is a
vendor.
computer name, right?
Dell is here.
Dell is one of the computers, right?
Yeah. Read sixth one.
Sixth one.
When you copy a web page or a film or a file from a server to your local computer, this process is called downloading. Yeah,
Downloading.
and then image files uploaded and downloaded over the internet can be processed with a compression application. Via image file compressed before transmitted over internet. Why it is compressed?
Because
If it is directly sent, what happens? It will take more data. When we compress and send, what happens?
to reduce the transmission time.
Yeah, it will reduce the transmission time. Next, eighth one. Identify the software that helps you in sending and receiving mail.
Gmail.
Anything you can say. Whatever you. But MS Office Internet Explorer under will not. BCC
But
field.
MS Office, ma'am, is not used for mail, right?
Nah,
Mostly, I think so.
it is useful only for documenting. MS
Yeah,
Office
but
is
Gmail is basically used for email.
yeah, it's useful. For documenting, you cannot use Gmail. Likewise,
Yeah.
MS Office cannot be used for documenting. It can be used to mail. And then BCC field contains the list of recipients. BCC stands for what is BCC?
Uh, blind carbon copy.
A two-way video conversation among multiple participants is called
Video conference.
dash services typically include reviewing account activity and balance sending electronic payments and transferring funds
E-banking.
between e-banking. Next, which of the following sites would you prefer to buy books?
If
Amazon.
there was option of all of this, I would choose all of this.
Which is the best one I'm asking?
Amazon is not the best one. Amazon. Ma'am, Amazon is actually really cheating, man.
E-reservation is a process of making reservations
Recently I
of.
ordered something else came.
Okay, ma. E-reservation is a process of making reservations of dash.
Ma'am, all of this, ma'am.
Which mobile technology system provides a mobile ultra broadband internet access?
4G.
4G stands for fourth generation.
Yeah, but anyways, fifth generation came, 5G came.
You are using you are using 5G mobile, huh?
Yeah, 5G mobile is there, but since that, none of the companies have made the same of 5G, but they trying to make it through.
Okay,
For the 5G.
If you get good marks in computer, then you buy me Apple.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
first,
Yeah.
if I'm getting mark, my father told me he'll buy something. If I get that, then I'll see of your
Yeah.
thing.
Okay. Simply, I am saying, you should get
I
good
know, I
marks.
know, I know.
Only if you get good marks, I will feel proud because you are somewhere else and I am somewhere. And if you get
Okay,
me a
ma'am.
good name, really, I will
I
feel
see.
proud
See.
of you.
Anyways, when the result will come, I'll be in India. So if it's a good mark, I'll directly come to Chennai and see you, ma'am.
I will come to Kerala to see you. Don't worry. Really, I will come along with my husband.
I'll inform you, ma'am.
Okay. Now come to fill in the blanks. But you should improve your handwriting, Kevin. Otherwise,
Yeah, yeah.
the examiner will not understand your handwriting.
I'm
Okay.
writing. Thanks.
Please, ma, try to improve your handwriting. You have to. Otherwise,
And my
nothing can do.
spelling also is a problem.
Yeah, you have to. Yeah.
Information. Okay, ma'am. Search engines.
Information is retrieved through internet using search engine. Dash is a real-time communication between two or more users via a computer.
Chat.
Email is the process of sending and receiving messages.
Electronic.
Email means electronic mail. Email is
Yeah.
electronic mail.
Electronic mail.
Dash elements help to express emotions or feelings in email or text message. Emotion elements.
Electronic.
Hey, emotion elements. Which elements is used for
Okay,
emotion?
emotional.
Dash help us to learn anywhere using internet.
E-learning.
E-learning. Computer-based training is a type of e-learning.
E-learning.
It's a type of e-learning. Dash allows customers to conduct financial transaction on a
E-banking.
internet can be used to get reservation of flights or airplanes
E-reservation.
through e-reservation. Dash helps to create and maintain social relationships.
Personal networking.
LinkedIn is an example of Dash website. Social
Social
networking web.
networking.
Dash is the online directory to find the information about people.
Surpage.
Super pages.
Super pages.
Yeah. Dash is an extension of Dash, which is used to send and receive text messages. MMS is an extension of SMS, used
MS.
to send and receive text messages.
Okay.
Alta Vista is used for searching of available internet connection. Is it true or false? Alta Vista is used for searching of
False, ma'am.
available false because it is used for searching particular topic. Alta Vista is used for searching particular topic. Downloading a file means transferring files from host computer to the
Oh,
internet.
no, false.
Why downloading means what happens? We are downloading the files from the internet to our host computer, not to another computer.
Yeah.
Chat rooms are actual rooms where chat session can take place. True or false?
False.
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 Plain text email messages can be read by any type of email application.
True.
Video conferencing enables two or more people to only see one another.
False.
Why what happens? People can also communicate with the help of video conferencing. It often includes multiple people
You can see it's not clear.
That is what they are saying now. Video conferencing enables two or more people, they are saying. But video conferencing enables multiple people.
But the printing, I cannot understand. I cannot read anything in the book or something. It's not clear.
Okay, that's what I read now. Now,
No.
you should wear specs, I think so. E-learning
No.
e-learning only supports text materials. Is it correct? False.
False.
Because this e-learning supports it supports text, audio, messages, images, animation, and streaming videos.
Yeah.
We can make groups of our friends and family members on a social networking site. Can we make? Yeah, we can make. We can make in Facebook.
Yeah,
We can make in WhatsApp. All those things. What are little sound coming?
Okay.
Okay.
Write
the purpose of search engine. What is the need for search engine?
Search engine, ma'am.
What will
I
what
can
is
read it, ma'am. Yeah.
search engine? What does it do? It helps people to find information on any topic, whatever we want. If you go to Google search engine and type some topic, it will generate and give you number of answers. That is search engine. Give any two example of popular search. What are the popular search we use? Google search engine and Yahoo search engine, right?
Uh,
Two examples of popular search engine. It is Google search engine and Yahoo search engine. What do you
okay,
understand
sir.
by uploading a file on internet? Name software used for it. What do you mean by uploading?
Uploading a file in a website.
To the server.
So yeah.
From our computer, if you upload it to a server, then it is called uploading of file on internet.
Yeah.
And FileZilla is a software which is used for it. FileZilla, Zilla is the software used for it. What do you understand by downloading files from internet? From
Yeah,
server, we
download
are
from internet means, ma'am, from like a file from any website, and we're downloading into our computer.
that's what from server we are downloading it to client's computer. That is our computer.
Okay.
Yeah, give the name of two websites which are used to send mail, email. Google Mail, sorry, gmail.com and rediffmail.com. Otherwise, you can write gmail.com and yahoo.com. Whatever you may
Gmail.
write. Uh, how, what are we saying? Kevin, repeat.
Gmail.com and www.com.
That one will not come. Gmail.com and what whichever website we use for receiving emails, rediffmail.com, yahoo.com, and all those things.
Yeah, ma'am. I think, ma'am, in Apple, for Apple phones, there are some other
Mail,
different Apple app something that for getting mails and all. I think so.
What are they?
No, I forgot that, but there's some different software like for Apple now to
Ask your
get
friends.
mails.
Okay. How can a Word document be sent along with an email? How will we send? We have to attach the Word file with an email
What file
and then we
with an
have to
email?
send it. You know how to attach, right?
Yeah.
Mm. That is why we attach. How multiple email address are defined in CC, BC, and BC file? How will we attach multiple email address? I will type my mail address, then I should put one comma. Then I should add number of mail address with comma, separated by commas.
Mm.
Okay, by using comma between email address, you can add multiple email address.
I want to believe it.
Write one advantage and one limitation of email over traditional mail. What is one advantage? Email is
Mm.
popular over conventional mail.
Email is popular. Yes.
And then this
I just want to watch
email,
them.
go on, come.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
So what are the advantages over email or traditional mail? Email is cost effective. It is extremely cost
Yeah.
effective, and email takes lesser time for transmitting data. If you drop out letter, what happens? It will take 2 or 3 days to reach your friend. But if you send an email, it will be transferred within fraction of second. Okay. And disadvantages, we need internet connection to send and receive email. You need internet connection.
Yeah.
Okay. How is news group different from email messages?
News groups. News. News group is different
Here,
from this
if
one.
we send email, if you send, you can send and I can receive. That's all. Only we both can
Yeah.
see. But news group means it can be read by everyone. Whoever in
Yeah.
that is there in that group, if you post, whoever is there in that group, they all can read. That is the difference between.
So there's no privacy.
There is no privacy. And then write down one main advantage of e-shopping. What is the main advantage of e-shopping? We can stay at home and shop anything.
Yeah.
That is one main advantage of e-shopping. State one advantage of video
That
conferencing.
that e-shopping helped us during our quarantine.
Hmm. State one advantage of video conferencing over personal face-to-face business meetings. Hmm.
Uh, Video conferencing is basically allows you can from any place, anytime, anywhere you can sit and have conference video conferencing, and like there'll be no place barrier. Like, so if you have, like, people cannot travel and meet any person from a far away place, they can meet anytime and any day on video conferencing. Like, it's very good. Like, video conferencing, like, no, nowadays it's very useful. Now, like, we're using video conferencing for classes and all. So
There is no need to stay at same place, but you are in Oman and I am in India, and we are. We both are talking now through video conferencing using
yeah,
Zoom.
actually, I think so. The plus points of video conferencing points, I think so, like, people understood from, like, during COVID time, like, I think so people got to get to know what are the advantages of video conferencing, and people use more video conferencing during COVID time.
Next question. How many forms can e-learning occur? E-learning can be CD-ROM based, network based, intranet or internet based. CD-ROM based means I can record and send you CD. Network based means by network I can teach you. Intranet means by LAN I can teach you. Internet
Yeah.
means by wide area network I can teach you.
Mm.
Okay, so it is based CD-ROM based, network based, internet or intranet based. Okay, what are e-groups?
E-group.
An e-group is a group of persons who comes together
Yeah.
over internet for a specific or common purpose,
Purpose.
using better, best internet communication tools to share ideas, different opinions,
Yeah.
experiences, and to learn from
Expressing.
each other.
Learn from others.
That is e-groups. E-groups means
Mm.
people come together over internet for specific or common purpose to share their ideas, different opinions, experience, and to learn from each other. Okay. Give the name of 5 websites for locating someone online. What are the websites to locate your friend? What are the websites you use? Facebook, White Pages, Super
Facebook,
Pages,
Instagram,
hmm.
WhatsApp.
White Pages, Super Pages, MySpace, and Black Planet. Okay. See how many are there. What is meant by SMS? Short message service. SMS means short message service. And it is commonly referred to as text messaging, and it is a service for sending short messages up to 160 characters to mobile devices. So from your mobile to your friend mobile, you can send the short messages. That is a short message service. SMS is short message service. Okay, then come to this short question answer. What is search engine and what is its use? Give example. What is search engine?
Search engine. Search engine is basically
It is a website that lets you search the internet for
searching information.
if you want to search any topic, specific topic, what you do, you go to Google, type the word there, and you search for the required things you. So that is search
Yeah.
engine. And the search
Search
engine turn on the web into powerful tool for finding any information. You can find any information in the internet using this search engine. And what are the
That's right.
benefits? Search engine do have the ability to provide refined or more precise results. They provide
Yes, sir.
refined results they provide, or precise results they provide.
Yes.
And then
That's
search
right.
engine provides a wealth of information for professional and personal use.
Yeah.
They provide wealth of information for professional and personal use. Example, Google.
Yeah.
Google is one kind of search engine. What are the other search engines that we use?
What now, ma'am?
What are the other search engines we use?
Safari, Firefox,
Yahoo,
Yahoo.
or some of the other search engines.
Yeah, ma'am. I don't know what happened today, ma'am. Your line is really breaking between, huh?
Really, yeah?
You because starting also you came and came there, so I think some net issues there in your computer.
No, no, no. I'm having clear net, full tower also. You should check your net.
My network is very clear, ma'am, because I'm sitting near to the Wi-Fi.
Okay, chalo.
And yes, very good Wi-Fi.
Can you hear me or not?
I can hear you, ma'am, but there was a lag in between. Now it's clear.
Okay. When using a search engine, what does a minus sign used with keywords in the search engine box mean? What does it mean? So that must be that minus sign. What does it mean? You should exclude that word. That topic must not come. That is what you read and tell me. Second one.
Second one.
Hmm.
Search engine is a website that which provides required data specified on contact. It also use the entire keyboard related to the particular topics received information. That means by saying uh,
Hmm.
uh,
What does this minus sign mean in search engine?
minus sign means I don't know what the minus sign in search means.
Search engine is a website that provides the required data on specific content. So if you are using minus sign in front of the word or phrase means it includes the first term but not the second term.
Oh, okay, both the first term but not the second term.
Yeah, that is that minus sign. What is the need of uploading and downloading the files?
Upload with from one computer to another computer. You upload, and downloading means you download it in your from website.
From the server, you are downloading it to your computer. Uploading means from your computer, host computer, you are uploading it to the server.
Web server.
What is chatting? Is it necessary to be online while chatting? What is chatting? You chat now.
Question number 5, right?
No, question number 4.
4. Characteristics of test and mediating conversation of uh, between the two computers, widely internet access between the communication process of taking over the internet as it is necessary to be in online be
So
chatting.
see here, that is while chatting we send textual message or multimedia conversation. There is video conversation also we do over internet.
Yeah,
So it is a
yeah.
real-time communication between two users via computer. Okay.
Uh,
You must also be active and I must also be active to chat. Only then we can chat. We
yes.
must, and it is necessary that we must be online while chatting.
Mm,
That is the answer. This lesson is very
okay.
easy, ma. What is an email? Right to advantages of email.
Email is basically electronic mail.
Hmm.
That one advantage of email is
Here.
that you can send from anytime, anywhere. It's very fast. It doesn't take any time.
Hmm. And what is the disadvantage of email? We
The
need
disadvantage of email is that
you need
the
internet
disadvantage of
connection.
you need internet connection, and maybe the reply will be coming late because the person will be receiving it on time, but he'll be seeing the mail later and sending the mail later.
Okay, come here. Come to seventh
Immediate
one.
feedback is not immediate feedback is not there.
In seventh one, we have to match this column A with column B. Social or networking site, which is social or networking site here in column B, Facebook.
Facebook
Skype.com. Skype.com is video conferencing.
video
E-shopping is
conferencing,
Amazon. And online
Amazon,
SBI.in is e-banking.
e-banking.
Now you tell me, match this column A with column B.
First one is Facebook.
Why don't
Second
you
is
why don't you read
video
the question?
conferencing.
Why don't you read the question and answer? Social networking site is Facebook.
Um, Social networking. Social networking is Facebook.
Hmm.
HTTP Skype is video conferencing. E-shopping Amazon. Online is e-banking.
Explain the significance of video conferencing.
Video
It reduces the
video
travel cost.
conferencing.
It reduces the travel
See,
cost by working
yeah,
remotely. That is,
it reduces the travel cost, which I told.
hence,
And it helps us to talk to persons from different part of the world, from any time, anywhere, any day, and all. And there's no distance of barrier of place there, and it's very easy, and you get immediate feedback.
and then explain the significance of video conferencing. That one. List the benefits of e-learning. It is self-paced. It can work on any location and time. Hello.
On time.
And then online computer-based courses are available. It reduces travel time and travel cost.
Uh,
For e-banking, what are the transactional category provided? Mention the services which are provided by transaction for e-banking.
E-banking.
Hmm. You go to page of 25. Huh? What? You are yawning, no?
No, nothing.
Go to page of 25.
Time up.
Wait, that one is finished. Yes, for transactional, we use electronic fund transfer, bill payments, loan application repayments,
Yeah,
and buying investment products.
by investing products.
What do you mean by e-shopping? Give three advantages of e-shopping. E-shopping means you can stay at home and purchase. And what are the
Purchase.
advantages? What are the advantages?
Advantages that don't need to go out. You can save time, save fuel, and it is very fast and very quick. And it'll yeah.
Differences between MMS and SMS. MMS
Members,
means multimedia messaging service. SMS means
multimedia service,
short message service.
uh, or message services.
MMS are used to send multimedia files attaching with message such as picture, music, audio, and SMS means used for sending text messages, including symbols and emoji. Okay, tomorrow we'll see
Uh,
the long answers on this page.
okay.
You should read more.
Yeah, yeah, ma'am.